Hey people, today I'm going to show you slicer functionality in Excel. Right? So this functionality is pretty cool to use and to show you how to use it. Over to the screen. So let us look at this table. This table is a typical table which consists of the individual's name and the location that individual is from, and the age group and product which is bought. Right. So now I want a graph which depicts me uh, the as per the products I am depicting the number of people who bought that product, right? So I have created a graph for that. So let us see how the slicer functionality works here, right? So what I am doing is just I am clicking on the chart area, and what I am going to do is insert, and in insert you can see here, right, slicer. So I am just going to click slicer, right? So once I click the slicer, this particular window opens. So what this window gives is what are the different parameters I want it to be sliced by. So now what I'm going to do is I want to slice this data by age group, right? So now I'm just clicking age group and selecting OK. So as soon as I do it, I'm getting this particular slicer. So what it eventually does is now if I want to see that okay, in the age group of 4, what is the product which was bought and what is the how much of people are buying this particular product. I just have to click this particular thing. 5 in the age group of 5, if you can see, one person bought medical and one person bought food. Okay, and let's see for one more example. 88. If I click 88, what I can see is one person for each adhesive, medical, phone, stationery, and two people bought petrol. So this is how we can slice and dice the data. This is the same functionality which is being used in the Power BI also, but it is coming in a different environment. And if you want to use the functionality inside the Excel sheet also, we can use with the help of slices. So that's all for today. If you like my video, click like button, and for more such videos, click subscribe button. Thanks.